ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 48, ಶ್ಲೋಕ 3. ಸುರಾಪಗಾಯಾಂ ಕಿಲ ತೌ ಮದೋತ್ಕಟೌ ಸುರಾಪಗಾಯದ್ ಬಹುಯೌವತಾವೃತೌ ವಿವಾಸಸೌ ಕೇಲಿಪರೌ ಸ ನಾರದೋ ಭವತ್ಪದೈಕ ಪ್ರವಣೋ ನಿರೈಕ್ಷತ. Word by word meaning. Madhotkatau, mad intoxication, highly intoxicated with wine. Surapagayat bahu yauvatavritau, surapa having drunk wine. Gayat singing. Yauvat group of young women. Avrutau surrounded by groups of young women who were drunk and singing. Vivasasau without clothes. Surapagayam Sura God. Apaga river. In the river of the gods Ganga. Keliparau engrossed in sporting. Tau the two of them. Bhavat Padaika Pravanaha. Pravanaha devoted to. Who is devoted to thy feet alone? Saha Naradaha. That sage Narada. Niraikshatha Kila. Saw indeed. Full meaning. Sage Narada, who is ever devoted to thy feet alone, saw them, Nalakubara and Manigriva, engrossed in water sports in the Ganga river, unclad, highly intoxicated and surrounded by women, who were all drunk and were singing ribald songs. Om Tat Sat.